In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add and use custom fonts in Google Docs. First, open Google Fonts to browse and select a new font for your document. Then, highlight the text you want to update to prepare for the font change. Now, click the Get Font button to download your chosen font. You can safely remove any unnecessary files by deleting them, and then open the downloaded font file to get it ready for installation. Next, select the font files you need, both regular and italic styles are available, and install them so your computer recognizes the new fonts. Once the fonts are installed, close any extra windows to keep your workspace tidy. Then, switch back to your Google Docs tab to continue editing. In Google Docs, open the Font drop-down and select More Fonts to search for the newly added ones. Type in the name of your new font, like Playfair Display, to locate it. When you see the new font in the search results, add it to your list. Then select it from the font menu to instantly apply the style to your text. That's it! Now you can easily add custom fonts to any Google Doc.